Hi everyone. Mm, Good afternoon. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we understand the concept of the static variables in PHP. In this video, we are going to learn the constant variables in the PHP. What are constant variables? How to declare constant variables in PHP, and some basic knowledge about them. And later, we will discuss some magic constants that are predefined in PHP. So to start with, let us create a new PHP file in the same folder that we are using, learn PHP inside dash docs. I will create a new file named, since it is the fifth lecture, I will name it as L5 const.php. Let us start a PHP script here. That's a simple question mark PHP question mark greater than symbol. So let me first explain what is a constant variable, as it is pretty much clear from its name as well. Constants variables are the variables whose value do not change during program execution. So in PHP, there are mainly two ways to define a constant variable: using a const keyword or using a define. So let us see both ways in the code. So first is using const. So in order to declare a constant variable using const, we write const, then let us take some real example, that is pi. So basically, when we create constant variable using const, we define them along in uppercase letter. So these are the naming convention that we follow, and constant variables are globally scoped in PHP. It means they can be accessed throughout the script, and they are case sensitive by default. So let us try to print this value. Let me run it. Let us see how to declare using define as well. Then we will run define. Let me name it as C. Let me give its value. The first, inside the define, the first we have to give the name of the variable, then its value. There is a third parameter as well, which is for case insensitivity, but it is not mandatory. We can simply pass two parameters, and when we try to print this variable, let us give a br tag here so that they get printed in next line. Make sure your XAMPP is running. So our file name is L5 const. So you can see it is printing value for pi, that is 3.14 we have given, and for the second one also Rajat. We cannot change the value of a constant variable. Let us try to do that. will happen if I try to override pi. It is giving syntax error, so we cannot as change its value. And let me explain the difference between the two. The main difference between the const and define is that in define there is we can pass third parameter, whether variable can be case insensitive. If we pass it as true, then it will allow case insensitivity, means it will treat both lowercase and uppercase as the same variables. But in case of const, the variable will always be case sensitive. And one more difference is that we mainly use const in case of classes and interfaces that we will study later, and define when we want to define the variable in the file for the complete file. So this is the main difference. Let us see some magic constants that are predefined in the PHP, and what are their values. So there is one constant. Suppose we want to check the line number in which we are currently, then we can use echo underscore underscore, two times underscore, then line in capital, then underscore underscore. And if you see, let me give a br tag so that it is clear. And then line number is, if you see the output, you can see the line number is 10. So these are some predefined magic constant in PHP. If you want to check the file in which we are, then we can use file is underscore underscore. These are some predefined constants. Like if I try to print it as well, it is giving me complete path of the file that I am inside. And if I want to print directory, then write dir here. Learn PHP is the folder that I am inside which we have created a file. So these are some magic constant. Besides these, there are some other constant as well. For example, underscore underscore, namespace, class and function name, etc. We can use these as well if we require. So this is all from constants in PHP. If you find the video useful, then please subscribe to my channel and like the video. If you have any suggestions, please put it into the comment section.